Welcome to OXeSIM. In this video, we'll break down what an eSIM is, how it works, and how you can use it to stay connected while traveling. For years, travelers had to rely on physical SIM cards, airport kiosks, public Wi-Fi, or expensive roaming just to get online abroad. An eSIM changes that. An eSIM is a digital SIM built into your phone. It works like a regular SIM card, but without the plastic chip. That means no airport SIM lines, no swapping cards, and no searching for a local mobile shop after landing. With OXeSIM, you can choose a data plan for your destination before your trip, install it in minutes, and get connected instantly upon arrival. Use maps, book a ride, message family, check into your hotel, and move through your trip with confidence from the moment you land. You can also keep your main SIM active, so you still receive calls, texts, and verification codes while using OXeSIM for mobile data. Before getting started, make sure your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked by your carrier. Once your device is ready, the process is simple. Choose your destination. Pick your plan. Install your eSIM. Activate it when you arrive. That's it. No airport stress, no physical SIM card, no roaming surprises, just clean, reliable travel data when you need it. Whether you're flying for business, vacation, or your next big move, OXeSIM helps you land connected and stay connected. Download the OXeSIM app or visit oxesim.com before your next trip.